Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to view the list of all friend requests in Facebook. We can open the app and see a list of all the people who wanted to add us as friends but stayed in the friend requests. How do you view this? To do that, you go into the app and open the friends list. Here there is Friend Requests. Click on See All. Then at the top, click on the three dots and click on the button View Sent Requests. And this opens the list of those who wanted to add to our friends. And also here we can add these friends to our friends or reject their request. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.